Assalamu alaikum. Today the topic which we are going to discuss is position of hydrogen in periodic table. Before going to the main topic, first of all, you should know some properties of hydrogen. Hydrogen is shown with the symbol capital H. Its electronic configuration is 1s1. Its atomic number is 1. It means it has one electron, which it is containing in S subshell. Depending upon the nature, hydrogen is non-metal. Its atomic mass is 1.00794, which is close to 1. Its molecular mass is 2. Now, we will move toward the position of hydrogen in periodic table. Actually, hydrogen is the only element in periodic table that do not have any specific group. It has resemblance with three different groups. Group 1A, which is called alkali metals. Number 2, with group 4A, which is carbon family. And group 7A, which is halogen family. Group 1A, alkali metals, with group 4A, carbon family. And it also shows close resemblance with halogen family, which is group 7A. Three groups are 1A, 4A, and 7A. One by one, we will discuss resemblance of hydrogen with group 1A, similarities. Number 1, both have one electron in their outermost shell. That's why their outer electronic configuration is ns1. Both have tendency to lose electron. Both alkali metals and hydrogen can react with halogens. Because they can lose electron, the other atom can gain this electron. That's why the bond between them is called ionic bond. Ionic bond is the bond that is formed due to the complete transfer of electron. They lose electron and the other atom gain that electron. That's why their resultant compounds are called ionic compounds. But there are few dissimilarities due to which hydrogen is not the typical member of group 1A. These are group 1A elements are metals, typically metals, while group hydrogen shows non-metallic characters. Group 1A elements contain more electrons in inner shells, while hydrogen has only one electron. Number 3, alkali metals lose their electron readily because they are typically metals. Their atomic radius is greater, their ionization energy is smaller. That's why they have more tendency to lose electron, while hydrogen, due to its non-metallic character, due to its small size, it do not lose electron readily as that of 1A elements. Next, hydrogen can exist in molecular form, for example, in H2 state, while group 1A elements do not have this property. And the last dissimilarity of hydrogen with group 1A elements is hydrogen can also make covalent bonds and covalent compounds, while group 1A elements only can form ionic compounds. That was all about similarities and dissimilarities of hydrogen with group 1A elements. Next, group 4A elements. First of all, similarities. Both group 4A, which is carbon family, and hydrogen, they contain half-filled subshells. What is meant by half-filled subshells? Actually, hydrogen has only one electron in S subshell. S actually can accommodate 2 electrons. It means hydrogen has half-filled subshell, while carbon family or group 4A have 4 electrons in their subshell, while to complete their octet, it means they are exactly half-filled subshells. Number 2, hydrogen and group 4A elements have tendency to share electrons. That's why their nature of the bond is covalent bonds. And the most important property is that Hydrogen and group 4a elements both have reducing properties. What is meant by reducing properties? We can see from equation. In the first equation, you can see that copper oxide when react with hydrogen, copper oxide is converted into copper while hydrogen is converted into its oxide. Oxygen is lost by copper. It means there is reduction of copper. And this reduction is due to the presence of hydrogen because hydrogen itself oxidized and it reduced copper. In the second example, you can see that tin oxide, when react with carbon, it can form carbon dioxide while the formation of tin. It means tin has lost its oxygen. Tin oxide is reduced to tin while carbon has been oxidized. So both group 1a and hydrogen can act as reducing agent and can show reducing properties. But there are some properties due to which hydrogen is not the typical member of group 4a, and these dissimilarities are: actually hydrogen contain one electron in its outermost shell while group 4a elements have 4 electrons in their outermost shell. Number 2, hydrogen have tendency to lose or gain electron. If it lose its electron, it can form cation, H positive. And if hydrogen gain electron, it can form H negative or hydride. While group 4a typically only share electron. In certain cases, they also lose or gain, but typically they have tendency to share electron. Next, hydrogen can also form ionic bond, while group 4a have tendency to form covalent bond typically. Next, hydrogen can form one bond because it is having one electron in its outermost shell, while carbon family or group 4a can form 4 bonds at a time. Next, nature of molecules. Hydrogen can form short molecules, small molecules. At least it can exist in diatomic form, while group 4a elements can form giant molecule. For example, carbon and silica. They can catenate, they can form long chains. So that's why carbon family or group 4a family can make giant molecule. That was all about similarities and dissimilarities of hydrogen with group 4a elements. Next, group 7a. There are some similarities between hydrogen and group 7a. Number 1, both can exist in the gaseous state. Number 2, both can exist in molecular form and they contain diatomic form. Number 3, both need one electron in order to complete their shells and can form anion. Number 4, both have tendency to form stable ionic compounds. Along with ionic character, they can also form covalent bonds. But there are some properties due to which hydrogen is also not the typical member of halogen family. The similarities are: actually hydrogen exists in gaseous state while group 7a elements exist in gaseous, liquid and solid states as well. Fluorine exists in gaseous state while chlorine and bromine are liquid. Fluorine and chlorine are gaseous state, bromine is liquid, while iodine exists in solid state. It means group 7a or halogen family can accommodate 3 states of matter: gaseous, liquid and solid state, while hydrogen has only one state, that is in the gaseous state. Next, hydrogen has more tendency to react with oxygen and can form stable oxide, while halogens lack this property. They do not form stable oxides with oxygen. Number 3, hydrogen have tendency to lose electron, and it can also exist in the form of cations, while halogens, the most electronegative elements of the periodic table, they only gain electron. Next, nature of subshell. Actually, hydrogen contain S subshell, while halogens contain P subshell. That's why they both belongs to 2 different blocks. Hydrogen belonging to S block, while halogen belonging to P block. That was all about similarities and dissimilarities of hydrogen with halogens. We can conclude that hydrogen has unique properties. Its properties actually do not exactly perfectly match with other groups of the periodic table. But due to close resemblance of hydrogen with group 1a, what are these similarities? Actually, hydrogen is monovalent. It can form only one bond. It contains S subshell. And the most important is its atomic number is 1. So that's why it is in very start of the periodic table above the group 1a. So we can say that it is placed at the top of group 1a. Thank you.